Hi. Remember this video? We're taking a little break from our Romanian tour to backtrack a little bit and get into some folklore. So back in that video, interrupted by what some are calling a figment of our imagination. Wait, I got that wrong. Back in that video, we were busy trying to show you guys a bit of a tutorial on how to make hobo water moccasins when we were rudely interrupted by what some people are calling a figment of our imagination. Well, some viewers were a little left feeling short-handed, so we wanted to get back on top of that tutorial, but unfortunately we're rather tight on time. So we're gonna double time things up a little bit here, which means that you're gonna have to go up into the settings little cog icon at the top of the screen and slap things onto double time or double speed to understand what's happening.
Kid, shut up. Now that you've adjusted your speed, you're going to need a stick, a knife, duct tape and knife, some plastic bags, and some craft supplies. You're also going to need a foot. You can use yours or your friend's. Whatever you decide depends on whether or not it rhymes. Take your bag and just stick your foot in it, make a kind of sock out of it, wrap it around. You're going to grab your stick, throw it in the back. This creates kind of like a space for the tape to go over top without it kind of sticking directly tightly to your foot so you can take it on and off. Generally worn around a hobo jungle or camp while setting regular footwear to dry around the fire, the advantage of the water moccasin is its general waterproof function, giving the tight seal duct tape affords and the backup of the plastic inliner. Yeah, you probably get where we're going with this. Bushcraft channel's all about the tutorial, but no, this channel is so much more than that. So you're gonna want to stick around because we always have some action-packed weirdness going on shortly after interrupting the tutorial. And if you can guess what song is playing backwards, which also played in the first video, you'll win a prize. Leave a comment. But we will do you the favor of skipping over the second foot, because the second foot's gonna be the same as the first. Done and done, let's make it 3 duns. Customizable now, you can have your favorite moniker artist adorn it, and simply add your own high-end fashion aspects and get crafty with it. Or should we say, swampy with it. Add a little bit of branding flair. And where would we be on this channel without a little bit of glitter, thanks to Aurora Borealis.
I'm out of here, man. I ain't no fucking witness to this.
Pretty sturdy, though rather swampy on a hot day. I wouldn't keep them on for too long. I mean, they'll hold up, but I wouldn't exactly go riding any motorcycles with them or nothing.
No, we're not on the road, so it's not like we're gonna need these things.
One thing we noticed was that the swamp witch was barefoot, and I think that we may have advocated of bringing the ATV so close to the waterways. So we're just going to leave these here as an offering to subdue the notion of our trespass. Join us next week as we continue on with Hero out in Romania, where he somehow ends up in the middle of a werewolf wedding. And yeah, you heard it right, werewolf wedding. See you then.